Hey, you caught me reading on my Kindle. In fact, that's what I wanted to talk to you about today. Stay tuned, and I'm going to share some ideas with you that will help you grow your business by reading business publications. On this episode of EncapTV, I want to talk to you about reading business books. Now, reading will allow you to become a better entrepreneur. Why do I say that? The reason why is because as you read, whether you're reading digitally or paper, or even listening to audio publications, it will help you to stimulate your thinking and grow your ability to become a more successful entrepreneur. It will help you to lessen the mistakes that you make because your thinking is being rounded out. It will really help you to become a more successful business person as you continue to read business books. It'll help you to make decisions faster, again, because your thinking is dialed in, you're thinking in business terms. Really, as you get into reading business books, the decisions you make in your business and the way that you focus and grow your business will be positively impacted, I guarantee it, as you read books. Now, if you do this, if you follow my advice and get into a daily or at least weekly good program of reading business publications, you'll be in the company of individuals like Bill Gates. Bill Gates reads a business book every week. Mark Zuckerberg reads a business book every 2 weeks. Warren Buffett reads for 80% of the day. Mark Cuban reads for over 3 hours a day. You get the point. Reading will help you grow your business and be successful. Now, you may not be as rich as Warren Buffett, but it will sure help you to get your thinking into your business, and it'll help you to come up with creative ideas that will help you to become more successful. So, what to read? I highly recommend, if you haven't read it yet, The E-Myth by Michael Gerber. I read The E-Myth many years ago in my business, and it really helped me immensely to see how to systematize my business so that I could get duplicatable results. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I read a book, I applied it, and I saw an impact in my business and really the way that I've conducted my business ever since, based very much on what I read in that book. An example of one book that made a difference. Another awesome book that really helped me to learn about branding, The 22 Immutable Laws on Branding by Al Ries and Jack Trout. Awesome book. Another great book, Raving Fans. Books by Seth Godin. The list goes on and on. There's so many good business books that you can get into, so explore. Look at reviews, go on Amazon, find books that work well for you, but by all means, get into a habit of daily or at least on a weekly basis reading business books. I like to say it's like getting the soil ready for something to grow. As you cultivate the soil by reading good business books, it's going to help you to become a more successful entrepreneur and will help you to grow your business. And in fact, that's what we're here to do too at Excellent Supply. If there's anything we can do to help you grow your business, we want to help you max your NCAP and be successful. Thanks for watching EncapTV. Until next time, get reading.